Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to install 2-inch cordless faux wood blinds in 1 minute. First, grab your tools, a power drill, a measuring tape or ruler, a pencil, a 1/16 inch drill bit, a screwdriver bit, and optionally a screwdriver. Start by measuring 7 centimeters from the edge of the window frame. Then measure 1.2 centimeters down from the top edge toward the window. Repeat this on both sides since we'll be installing 2 brackets. Keep in mind, these measurements may vary depending on your blinds and preferred placement. Next, place the brackets at your marks and use a pencil to mark the center of each mounting hole. Now grab your drill with a 1/16 inch drill bit and drill pilot holes. This helps guide the screws, reduces friction, and keeps everything aligned. Once the holes are ready, drive in the screws to secure both brackets. You can start with a screwdriver for extra precision, but if you're comfortable with a drill, you can go straight in. Now snap the clips onto the headrail and space them evenly across the width. Insert the wand into the bottom of the headrail until you hear a click. Finally, mount the blinds by hooking the front of the headrail into the brackets first, then push upward until both sides click into place. And that's it, your blinds are installed.